Uh, Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you step by step on how to install Apache Kafka version 3.9.1 on Windows. We'll go from downloading Kafka, setting up app, running Zookeeper. So step 1. First we need to download the Kafka. Open your browser and go to the official Apache Kafka website and click on download Kafka. Then when you scroll down, you need to look for the version 3.9.1 and download the binary version, the one labeled Kafka 2.13 or 3.9.1.tgz. So once downloaded, you need to extract the file using WinRAR or 7-zip. So move the extracted folder to the simple location like C semicolon slash Kafka. Then Kafka requires Java to run, so since we already have Java installed, so no need to worry about that. So step 3, open command prompt in Kafka folder. Navigate to your Kafka folder, go inside the bin folder, and at your address bar type the cmd and press enter. This opens command prompt directly in the Kafka directory. So we need to run the following command in the zookeeper and command line. So windows slash zookeeper start dot path then dot 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 slash dot 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 slash config slash zookeeper dot properties. So wait until you see the logs indicating that zookeeper is running. And that's it. You successfully installed and tested Apache Kafka 3.9.1. You can now integrate Kafka into applications like chat systems, notification systems, or real-time data pipelines. So next is we need to install the RabbitMQ. We need to download the exe version or the executable files. So we can see we already downloaded it. Then we need to click this, the RabbitMQ server. As you can see, it's need Erlang to install RabbitMQ. So it requires Erlang to run the RabbitMQ server. So we need to click this yes. Then let's download the Erlang OTP and download the Windows installer. Then after that, we need to open the Erlang or the OTP win64.exe. Then click next, next, next. Then after installing, we can already execute the RabbitMQ app or server. Now after installing the Erlang, we need to open now the RabbitMQ. So click to your downloads, open the RabbitMQ server, then click next for the setup. Then there you go, it's now installing. Now to test if the RabbitMQ server, we need to run the localhost. We need to type the guest, then there you go. You already have the RabbitMQ server. Oh,